Assalamualaikum friends, hopefully you are enjoying our Skardu tour by road 2026. And friends, please do not forget to like, subscribe and comments as we are anxiously waiting for your feedback for the improvements. Thank you very much. Friends, today day 7 of our tour, we get up early in the morning and this is the hotel view where we are staying. We will breakfast here and then inshallah move forward for the upper Kachura and lower Kachura, which is known as Shangrila Lake. Friends, the weather is very lovely and we have started journey towards upper Kachura Lake. Both lakes are in Skardu district, Gilgit-Baltistan, and around 2,500 meters above the sea level. Upper Kachura Lake is situated and its depth is around 70 meters. We met Spanish tourists here and shared our views. Upper Kachura is very beautiful lake. Recently an accident occurred and a tourist died due to a small mistake while he was taking selfies, so be very careful while boating. Friends, look around the beauty of colorful water and forest. Friends, after enjoying here, now we are going down towards lower Kachura Lake, which is known as Shangrila Lake, and it was built on its banks in 1983. The name Shangrila comes from the Chinese term for the heaven on earth. It is heavily commercialized, easy to reach and located about 20 minutes drive from Skardu town. It is international spot and very famous around the globe. Hotel and travel cost. Friends, this lake is also 70 meter depth and normal temperature here is 15 degrees centigrade. Friends, whenever you plan Gilgit-Baltistan, must visit upper Kachura and lower Kachura in your schedule. Weather is very pleasant and now we are having some snaps for the memory, and after enjoying the whole day, now we are going back. Allah Hafiz.